Justin Bieber got a haircut on Monday, altering his signature long bangs for a decidedly shaggier look. Shortly after Bieber posted a tweet saying he was thinking about getting a haircut, news broke that the Biebs had in fact gone through with it. TMZ posted photos of the 16-year-old singing sensation's new do with a quote from Bieber saying he thought the new haircut was kind of a mature look for him. John Travolta is losing much of his hair, but not because of a haircut, if recently published photos are to be believed. A photo of the 57-year-old actor taken recently in Hawaii shows him without his hairpiece and showing off his baldness. Is Glee's Matthew Morrison dating actress Olivia Munn? OK Magazine reports the two were spotted getting very cozy during a New York Rangers game on Sunday, holding hands and kissing, fueling rumors they might be an item. The New York Post page 6 reports that Rosie O'Donnell and her girlfriend, Tracy Anders, are splitting up. The Post quotes an unidentified source as saying the two recently parted ways after dating for a little over a year. This has been Celebs in 60 Seconds.